In order to roll from stomach to back and from back to stomach, your baby must be able to rotate their back. To begin this process, rest your baby on their stomach gently and comfortably. Gently bend one of their legs towards their chest and rest their foot on the floor. Do this by holding their leg and leading your baby towards a back rotation, while they lean on the opposite elbow as their leg maintains balance. This position leads your baby to create a rotation in their back. Make sure your baby is on their stomach in elbow time and create a rotation in your baby's back by resting their foot gently on the floor and have them lean on their opposite elbow. Wait until your baby successfully pushes the floor with their foot.
How to help baby roll front to back, part of Baby Pillars online home course.
When your baby pushes the floor with their foot, they're actually shifting their weight and beginning the process of rolling over, creating the rotation we're looking for in your baby's body. Make sure your baby's other leg is straight on the floor and that is not bothering them by pushing the bent leg. In addition, try to tease them with a toy or with your hand, causing them to reach out their hand in the direction of the temptation to roll over to their back. This process is the foundation for stomach crawling, soon to come in the continuation of their development.
How to help baby roll front to back, part of Baby Pillars online home course.
Rolling over from the stomach to the back or from back to stomach is dependent upon a few different skills your baby needs to acquire before being able to successfully roll over. Some babies have more rigid shoulder blades or overarched backs. These babies struggle with rolling from their stomachs to their backs because their arms tend to fall to the side rather than remaining in elbow time. Elbow time is a position where your baby is lying tummy down while leaning on their elbows.